Good morning, everybody. I'm coming to you from our blueberry field where I plan to spend a lot of time this summer picking blueberries. And I'm also going to be spending time making art because that's what makes me happy. I've appreciated having you along with me on this distance learning journey that we've all been on together. All of the artwork that you sent me pictures of and the videos really warmed my heart, and I want you to know how much it was appreciated during a trying time for all of us. I'm going to encourage you to keep making art this summer, and I want to show you an example of what it's like to just stick to it and make it better. I found a print that I made probably with my mom when I was in about the first grade. I'll hold it up, see if you can see it. So I've got some bugs and a flower. I've got the basics in there. And again, I was probably 6 or 7 years old. So I just kept drawing and I took classes and I studied, and I want to show you what things can look like about 30 years later. Here is a special fly that I drew in an insect class. Had to look at the fly through a microscope. Kind of fun. So I'm just going to say to you, I want you to stick to it. I want to give you a tour of our school website so that you have that tool to use with you during the summer. Here's a quick tour of the school's elementary art website. You can find it by going to the school's webpage, and there's a pull-down menu, and it includes the address to this site. On the home page, I will always have the most current activity, which includes our assignments from this spring. And then you can see I have categories along the top. On my drawing page, I've got several categories. Drawing techniques, still under construction, but how to draw videos, which have been very popular. There are links to all sorts of videos there. And then I have the How to Draw library, and I want to take you on a quick tour. There are aspects of the library that are simple for beginners. Here are drawings on how to use your hand to trace around and make something. And in addition, on that same page, I have things as difficult as these dragon drawings. Dragons have been popular this year, and you can see that the skill level goes up, and this is more challenging in a great way. So students can use that. And I also have collage, which could be a great way to get rid of your old magazines and newspapers. Sculpture and origami page is going to be popular. Here are some items about using cardboard. I am just getting started on the origami section. So when you click, you realize that I've only put on some very simple folds to begin with, but we'll be beefing those up over the summer because I know origami is popular. I have a fiber page, which is wonderful. There are all sorts of weaving and sewing projects on that page. One of my favorite pages is the student art video page. I can click on any year and see videos about things that we've made in the past, which is great. And then finally, I have artist and art movements. And so far, the only thing loaded on at this point in the summer is the op art page, but I'll be filling that up with all sorts of interesting artists to learn about and art movements. So I really hope that you all stay connected to art this summer, in part by using this page because it's here for you. If you have any requests to make, please email me and I will look into adding your requested material to the page. So I'm going to wish you a summer farewell. I hope that if you continue to make artwork this summer, feel free to send me pictures. I'd love to see what you're doing. I hope you have a safe and happy summer. Bye!